Hi students, welcome at KitCan Digital Learning. I am your English teacher. Today I am presenting you lecture number 4 and our topic is Fun with Words. This is a poem, The Cat and the Rat, from your book We Learn English Class 2 published by Oxford University Press. Before starting our today's topic, I would like to advise you a few tips for effective learning and takes maximum benefit from KitCan Digital Learning. Like and subscribe your school channel so you will not miss any video. Carefully listen and watch video from start to end. Find out the answer of the question from the video. You have to watch the video multiple times until you have find the answer. Let's read the poem with me. The Cat and the Rat. The cat and the rat. A cat sat on a mat. On a cold winter night, she saw a tiny brown rat. Under the silver light, "Come here," said the cat, "and sit with me. Let me give you a pat and count to three." The poor small rat came running to sit, but the sly bad cat ate it bit by bit. This was the poem about the cat and the rat. कैट जो है वो एक मैट पे बैठी होती है और वो रात एक ठंडी रात होती है और उसे एक छोटा सा ब्राउन चूहा नज़र आता है सिल्वर लाइट के अंदर। वो उस चूहे से कहती है, कम हेयर, और मेरे साथ बैठ जाओ, यहाँ आओ और मेरे साथ बैठ जाओ, मैं तुम्हें एक पैट देती हूँ, तुम 3 तक काउंट करो। वो बेचारा गरीब चूहा कैट के पास आता है, भागता हुआ उसके पास बैठने के लिए, पर वो बेरहम कैट उसे एक एक बाइट करके खा जाती है। दिस वॉज द पोएम अबाउट द कैट एंड द रैट। नाउ यू हैव टू रीड दिस पोएम और आपने राइमिंग वर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करना है इस पोएम में। ऑल्सो यू विल आंसर द क्वेश्चन एंड द क्वेश्चन इज हु इज वेटिंग फॉर द रैट। Hope you enjoyed and learned basic concept of today's topic. Don't forget to answer the question and write the answer of this question in your summer vacation copy or journal within 24 hours to maintain your summer vacation learning project marks, as total marks of this question will be added in your final term exams based on your reply of all questions. The marks of these questions are 10. Hope to see you in the next topic and learn more new concepts. Thank you. Bye bye.